Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, it's your girl Shugs. Today I am going to be preparing some potato salad, but I'll be using the red skin, so I'm doing a red skin potato salad. This one is going to be amazing, guys. Stay tuned, thumbs up the video, don't go anywhere. So guys, I'm going to be using the red skin potatoes. I have some vegetables. So I have like 3 stalks of green onion, just a quarter of sweet pepper or bell pepper. So I have green, orange, red, and I have some yellow. I have 1 onion. I'll be using some salt, some herbs, parsley, garlic, salt and onion salt, some black pepper, some paprika, some mixed vegetables, sour cream, mayonnaise, and I'll be using some table cream, butter, and as we go along, we're gonna spice up the recipe. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to do, guys, I want to make sure that you wash your potatoes well. What I did, guys, I soaked my potatoes in some water for about an hour or more. Tip a little bit of salt in there. Make sure that you get all of those foreign substance or whatever is on the skin of the potato, because we're doing skin on. So you want to make sure that these are soaked and washed properly. If you can see, guys, you will see some patches and stuff because I took off and scrape and cut out what I don't like, what I'm seeing, the stems and whatever else is on the potatoes. So make sure that these are washed nicely. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put on some water to boil on the stove, and then we're gonna cut up our potatoes. Okay guys, so let's cut our potatoes. So what I'm gonna be doing, guys, I'll be cutting these in cubes. So I'll be cutting them probably like in the bigger ones I'll do in 4, and maybe the smaller ones I'll do in 2. So this is how I'll be cutting all of my potatoes, guys. So I cut them in half first, then I cut them in half again, and then I just cut them like so. So at this point, guys, I want to make sure that you have your water on the stove boiling, because we have to put these in hot water. And then we're going to prepare our sauce for our potato salad, and we're going to prepare our vegetables. This is gonna be an amazing one. Great for the Christmas season. That's why I'm using the red skin potatoes and the skin on. So it matches back with your Christmas theme. Okay guys, so here I have all of my potatoes nicely diced. So we're just going to add them to the hot water right now and allow them to cook. Okay, so our water is bubbling up, guys, so we're just gonna add our potatoes. And I do not have anything in the water, just the hot water alone, guys. Okay, and guys, at the same time, you want to make sure that you put on your mixed vegetables. So I am also cooking my mixed vegetables right now. I have them over here in some water. Just allow them to get tenderized for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so now we're gonna just cover this down and allow it to cook. So you want to check on this as well, make sure that it's not boiling over on the stove. And we have our mixed vegetable over here as well, so we want to check on that as well. So in the meantime, let us go and prepare our other vegetables. Okay, so we're just gonna prepare our other vegetables now guys. So you want to make sure that you cut these as small as you can. You don't want them too big in your mixed veg, in your potato salad. Okay, so I'm cutting up my green onions, and I'm using 3 stalks of green onion. And guys, I use 3/4 of a bag of potato. I'll show you the bag. So I use 3/4 of the potatoes in that bag. This is gonna be a good one guys for the Christmas. Just gonna put them back in here. This is what we're gonna use to make our sauce to put on our salad. And for your onion, you just want to make sure that you cut them, you dice them small as well guys, okay? Okay guys, so I strained off my mixed vegetables so because they are ready, so I'm just gonna have them aside waiting on our potatoes. And I have completed my seasoning, so I have in here my onions, my green onion, and my bell peppers. I have orange, red, and yellow, and green. Guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put 6 eggs to boil, and you want to boil them so that they are hard. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my eggs on the stove to boil in some water. Okay, so while our potato and our eggs are boiling, we are going to go ahead and we're going to prepare our sauce. So here I have some butter. I have less than a cup of butter, about 3/4 cups of butter. And I'll be adding some of my garlic seasoning and my onion seasoning to the butter. I'm going to also add, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon, and I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of paprika. Also guys, I have some mixed herbs. You can use any mixed herb. You can use Italian herb, or you can just use some oregano. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my mixed herb. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of salt, probably like 1 teaspoon. of salt. We can always add more salt if we need to. And we're going to add our mayonnaise. So I have like 3/4 container of mayonnaise, and I'm just going to use all of that. Okay, and now I am going to add my cream. So this is my table cream, and I have 1/2 cup of table cream. You just want to combine all of this together. Don't forget your sour cream, guys. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sour cream as well. So it's like 1/2 cup of sour cream. Just a little bit more. There we go. Lovely. And we're just gonna combine all of this together nicely. Okay guys, so our sauce is looking absolutely amazing. If you want more, guys, you can always make some more if you were not satisfied with the creaminess of your potato. So guys, if you love pepper, this is optional. You can add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, which I am going to be adding right now. And I'm adding a tablespoon. You can add 1/2 tablespoon, a teaspoon, or you don't have to add the cayenne if you do not love pepper. But I love pepper, so I am adding this. You can just use your black pepper alone, okay? So this is what our sauce is looking like, guys. It is looking absolutely amazing, creamy and nice. But you want to make sure you pour this over the potato while the potato is hot, okay? There you go, guys. The potatoes are almost ready. We're gonna go and check up on them. So this is what your sauce is looking like. So you want to leave this in the fridge until you're ready for it, okay? So we're just gonna pop this into our fridge right now. Okay guys, so now our potatoes are ready. Guys, you want to make sure that they are not crushed, so you want to make sure that they are about this consistency, a little bit of tenderness. So what we're going to do now, before this cool down, we are going to be adding our sauce that we prepared. So I just pulled it from the fridge. So let's add this, and the reason why we're adding this when the potatoes are hot, so any unmelted butter that we have in here, it will get melted, okay? So this is our sauce, nice and creamy and delicious. Okay, so we're just gonna combine our sauce with our vegetables. So we're gonna add our mixed vegetables, and we're using like 2 cups of mixed vegetable. And then we're going to combine our seasoning that we had prepared as well. Looking lovely. So let's combine everything. Look at that, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, so let's combine this. You want to use something, a nice big bowl, depends on how much you are doing. And as I'm saying, guys, I use 3/4 bags of potato, and I'm going to show you the bag that we use. Okay guys, so it is looking nice and creamy. What you can do guys, don't worry if you did not prepare enough sauce for your potato. What you can do, you could have added some more sour cream and some more mayonnaise to this, but I am happy with the creaminess, so I won't be adding any more. So we are going to garnish just with some parsley flakes, but we're not going to add that as yet until everything is combined. So look at that guys, isn't that beautiful? So guys, I didn't add any salt. I told you that I was going to add salt, but I did not add any salt because the garlic seasoning already have some salt, and also the butter. But if you taste your potato salad and you need salt, you can always add salt, okay? But not least, we're going to add our eggs, and I'm using 6 eggs guys, not 5, 6. So I just slice them up, dice them up. You can really use whatever size you need. Some people just add the eggs on top, but I'm going to incorporate the eggs with the potato. So that's basically it guys. Thumbs up this video. Let me know what you think about this recipe. If you will be trying my potato salad, leave me a comment. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed as yet, please hit that subscription button. Until next time, stay safe. So this is the potato that I am using guys. It's a 10-pound bag, 4.5 for a kg, and it's the red potatoes. Willie's Best Canada #1 potatoes.